Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to unhide chat on Viber. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Do you want to hide a Viber chat so that only you can access it with a secret PIN? Or do you want to make sure no one else see your Viber messages? You can follow the steps. Simply tap Open Viber application and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are logged in, if you want to find a hidden chat on Viber, then it's quite easy to do. So first, let me show you by hiding a chat on Viber. Open up the chat that you'd like to hide from the chat screen. For example, let me hide this chat over here. Press hold to the chat and you should see a pop-up appearing right beneath it. Tap on Hide Chat and you need to set up PIN so that only you can see the hidden chat on Viber. Tap on Set PIN and enter the 4-digit PIN by typing it with the help of the keypad. Now confirm the PIN by typing it again. And now you've set a PIN successfully. Tap on OK, as you can see that the chat has now been disappeared from the chat screen. It has been hidden somewhere else. If you'd like to find it, unhide that particular chat on Viber. Then tap on the search icon at the upper right-hand corner from the screen. Now in the search box, type in the name of the group or the contact that you've hidden the chat off. You can either enter the name of the group or the contact, or you can also type in your PIN code that you set before. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see the hidden chat displayed. Tap it on in order to find it on Viber. Now in order to unhide this chat, simply tap on the name of the group or the contact at the top of the screen. Now from this page, scroll all the way down until you find a button that says Unhide this chat. Give it a tap and enter the 4-digit PIN that you previously set. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to unhide a chat back to your Viber chat screen. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.